Hello you guys, today we're going to do a 2021 Honda Civic, adding a key for the round shaped keys that looks like that. So we're just going to put the car in on position. In this case when it's adding a key, but all key lost will be almost the same. So we're going to go into Honda, we're going to go automatic selection. Because we have a working key, we're just going to hit the read button. Make sure that the other key that you're going to program is not in the vehicle, and it should be far enough away so the car does not detect it. And we're just going to go to control unit, Honda keyless systems, and the car can be turned on. And we're just going to go add a key like any other Honda. The only way to open the car is I got to use the built-in key. Yeah. It's so annoying. I've been just leaving my car open. We're going to switch the key off. Now only place the old key here, and we're going to switch the ignition to on. Now we need to place all the keys away from the car, so we're just gonna take the key away. And we can grab the new key, which we generated for this. And we're not gonna place it into the car yet. We're just gonna put it like here. And we're gonna hit OK. You can move the car closer if you need to. No one's gonna be... Yeah, that's I think this is. Okay, now we're gonna place the new key in the vehicle.
If you want, you can put the car here. No one is gonna go out. Okay, you see the auto?
Yeah, I'm gonna. So we're gonna place the new key here. And as you can see, it tells us to shut the car off and then put it on again. And as you can see, the key is already programmed. Immobilizer light is off, so you're just going to press yes. And switching the ignition to on. Key registration has been completed. So the key is completely working. You can start the car and do whatever you want. Just to show you guys that the new style of Hondas can be done just the same. No need to worry or to fear. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good day.